Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Lisbeth. And today I'm gonna make kikiam. For the ingredients, we have minced pork, minced shrimp, diced carrots, diced onion, spring onion, which is optional, cornstarch, then we have 2 eggs, and that's optional as well, and the salt, I used pink Malayan salt, black pepper, and our Chinese 5 spice, and lastly our bean curd sheets for the wrapping. So this is just an easy procedure to do. It's the same as how you make your spring rolls, all those stuff that's being wrapped. So you just have to combine everything first. So now we combine minced pork with the shrimp, the carrots, onion, all this stuff I already pre-made so that it's the video will be shortened. So spring onion, the list of my ingredients and measurements will be written in my description box. And then your add spice, and then the black pepper, the salt, cornstarch, and then our eggs. Next one is just mix thoroughly so that everything, all the ingredients will be combined. That way, use your hands to combine, although it doesn't matter because I'm using gloves, so it's better this way so that we can mix it thoroughly rather than using a spoon, right? All set. For the bean curd sheets, I had to cut it out into small pieces, so it comes out like 24 pieces all in all. And this is the mixed filling that I was mixing this a while ago. So for the wrapping, it's up to you how many spoons you're gonna make. So if you want it bigger, then you have to use 2 spoons full, 1 spoon. If you want it smaller, it depends on you what size you want to make for your kikiam. For the steaming, I use this electric steamer. It's a 3-tier steamer. And this is all the wrap kikiam that I made for a 1 kg pork mince. I have this paper sheet. Put this in the let's call it the plate of the steamer so that it won't stick. Instead of putting oil on it, I'll just put the paper. You can use this for making siopao, dumpling, etc. for steaming. This is my first layer, and I have to do my second and third layer of steaming. And cover this with a tea towel. Cover this with tea towel so that the steam water will just stick into the towel and not go back to the item, and it will make the wrapper to become soggy. While waiting for the kikiam to cook, next we have to make the sauce.
Meanwhile.
So for the dippings, we have minced garlic, and then minced onion, soy sauce, water, brown sugar, cornstarch, flour, and then salt. So combine all the ingredients and put it in a saucepan. And this is it. You just have to whisk until this will get sticky, and it's done. This is how it looks like, the kikiam inside the steamer, and this the steaming time will be like 25 minutes for them to cook. And after that 25 minutes we have to test it with I tried to test it with a toothpick to make sure that it's all cooked and ready to be taken out from the steamer. Before frying this, the cooked kikiam, I dab it with paper towel so to take out the excess water, and some of it we can preserve this, like put this in the freezer if you don't want to use this for one go, or if it's too many for you, then you can just put some of this in the freezer for your future use. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button for more notification. You can also give comments and suggestions so that I can put this in my next vlog, or any questions for me to answer you or queries. I'm open to this. Thank you. By the way, for everyone's information, this is my first time to make this kikiam, so wag judgmental. Kikiam is one of the favorite Filipino street food. Panandaliang ulam, snacks, etc. Voila! This is my homemade kikiam. And this is it. Hope you like my video today. Thank you. Bye.